Hey, oh, I got the hiccups today. Hey, it's me, Truth3LS. So we're back in the video with a Lego competition and Jake 4L.
You almost hit me in the face, dude.
Sorry. And
this video is sponsored by Sour Skittles. Not chicken.
It's really not.
They're good though. They are good.
I got the mad hiccups. So, whoa. We got a camera over there, over there, over there, over there. Yeah. All right. Whoa. So, how's your guys' Christmas? Good. I got a computer. We're not going to show that. That's my old computer that was way outdated and didn't even work. Now, we're going to do some videos about the computer, and now we're doing a Lego competition.
And we got these for Christmas.
Now, we also got that camera behind us. Yeah. All right, come on.
And that camera that's right there, that camera I got for Christmas.
Now,
a GoPro. And the other GoPro, his GoPro, that he did not get for Christmas or birthday. Yeah. We're going to that too.
so what we have is a timer right here. And yeah. And then here's the big other camera setup with my phone. Yeah. And then here's Jake 4L's GoPro. Howdy there. Alright. So we have basically two little pallets that we have to build on. And we have all of these Legos. So yeah. Let's do it. Alright. Well, let's get started. Alright, so that's going to be very interesting.
Tell me when to start the timer.
And start. Alright, we are officially starting. Let's start building.
Get out of my way, dude.
That. Time's up. You can't build anymore. Nope.
No, can I?
No.
I'll have to put 2 more people on.
No, you can't. Stop your build. Dude, that's so cheating.
No, keep that 2 times.
No.
No, I'm not building.
You can't stick anyone else on. Alright. We're officially done. This is sick. Okay, so basically what I was going for is something like this. So we got the guy just watching TV like earlier. And we got the wall. I was almost done. I just had this little piece over here that went along and down. And then I would have been done.
I only needed this guy. I only needed this guy to sit down on the block. And another dude to sit down on the block.
And then he had all that.
Yeah.
So yeah. And the reason why it took him so long was because almost all of the people that are in here are broken. Like, they're in pieces. So you have to, build them, basically. So, yeah. Alright. Are we ready?
Half my time wasted because I was getting seats. Now, I can just do those. And then I can get it faster. So, I would have probably found one more person.
Right.
Oh.
Alright. So,
I forgot.
Now,
There's some people in here.
what we're going to do is we're going to stop the recording.